Shane Reyes, ACT Perez, we are here to present to you an example of marginal people. Hope you like it! Just sit back and enjoy!
What is poverty? Poverty is one of our major problems. Poverty is the vibration of those things that determine the quality of life, including food, clothing, and shelter, but also intangibles such as the opportunity to learn and to enjoy the respect of the fellow citizens. Those who live in conditions of poverty lack a wide range of economic and other resources and may be described as poor or impoverished. As a tourism student, we tend to travel to different places. Did you notice that wherever we may go, we see a lot of people scattered on the street, begging for something, or people who is residing on squatters areas? And we also see people who are into drugs and became insane after all. This only means that life is so hard and yet so easy for others. But let's look beyond the reality. Life is quite hard, especially to the poor people. They get nothing, benefits, nor support from the government. In this kind of situation, they don't get what a man should have: a good shelter, fine job, enough food, medicines, and luxuries. Poverty is the main problem of our government. Then, why is it that they don't do anything to resolve this kind of problem? Overpass in Quiapo Church. While walking along Quiapo, Manila, this little girl caught our attention. She was lying on her stroller with something on her face. We tried to convince her father to make some interview. For God's sake, he was then convinced, for the sake of our daughter. From that interview, we knew that before they belonged to the middle class group, but it vanished. When her daughter started to cure her sickness, they used to sold their property. They decided to beg even a small amount of money for Mary Grace. We realized that there is so-called government, but they didn't do their obligation to serve people, especially those who are in need. Mary Grace is one of those. Over 1 million people who needs the support of the government. They tend to go to the other institutions here in the Philippines, like PCSO, Bantay Bata 163, Wawawi, and other institutions, but they failed to get a financial support. Tapos pag nagtatanong, ay, ito ka kaya ito ka kaya tayo. Kahit dito na lang. Kasi mo kaya dito si Andy, tapos tingnan mo kung mainit. Wala kang nalbala. Teka. Mga kaibigan niya, tapos parang magmarapag na tapos mag-isang linggo na wala pa rin ako nagpupunta. Sabi ko kung kayang ibigay yung mga ganun niya para natin ang ulang yan, iwanan na lang yung ulang. Bakit nagbibigay ko yung sila? Ginawa mo na lang. Naman maraming pagdaan namin lalaki na ako sa puso. Wala rin namin lapit sa kanya yung ganda sabi ko. Tapos ito, wala rin sabi ko. Tsaga ka lang, sabi nila mga tao. Silang tsaga na rin ano ko na ninabot, sabi ko mamagal lang yung anak ko, sabi ko. Pero kuya, pray lang po. Lagi ko namin yung mga to make sense out of it. Try to look beyond the reality. Poverty is everywhere. Actually, we can also help them by simply convincing and influencing them to do something about their lives. Because if they're not, their lives will be more miserable than they expect. We are just a student, yes, but we can also help them in our own little ways.